In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trip.com. We'll walk through the process on an Android device using the Google Play Store, and I'll share a few simple tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone or tablet. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If the Play Store asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account so you can download apps. A stable internet connection helps here, so connect to Wi-Fi if you can, and make sure you have a bit of free storage available to avoid any download hiccups. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type trip.com exactly as you'd say it, including the dot. You should see suggestions appear as you type. Select the full app name if it shows up. If you prefer, you can also type slowly and let autocomplete help. Taking a second to double-check the spelling will make the results more accurate. On the results page, look for the official listing called Trip.com. Book flights, hotels. This is the trusted app you want. The official listing typically has a recognizable blue icon and strong ratings with a high number of downloads. If you're unsure, open the app's page and read the short description to confirm it's about booking flights, hotels, and travel services. Glancing at recent reviews and screenshots can also reassure you that you've got the right one. When you're on the correct app page, tap the green Install button. The download will begin right away. If you're using mobile data and have limited bandwidth, consider pausing until you're on Wi-Fi to save data. You'll see a progress bar while the app downloads and installs. If your device asks you to confirm or to allow the Play Store to install apps, approve the prompt to continue. Installation time varies depending on your connection speed and device performance, so give it a moment. You'll know it's finished when the install button changes to open. That's your confirmation that Trip.com is now on your device and ready to use. You can open it from there or find the icon in your app drawer or on your home screen the next time you need it. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Trip.com, choose the official Trip.com, book flights, hotels listing, and tap install. Follow these steps and you'll have the app ready whenever you plan your next trip.